Hi everyone, good evening. Welcome back to my session B2B Vision to Victory. In today's video, we are going to cover few different number series questions. Don't worry guys, I will explain the whole concept in every question and understand the approach for number series. And this is one of the most important concept in any competitive examinations. And before starting our session, please like our video and share this information with your friends who are preparing for the different competitive examinations. Definitely, it will help their preparation. And try to answer all the questions and post your answer in the comment section. I will check your comments. So without any delay, let's start the session. So here the question number one. So which number should replace in this question mark? Guys, please kindly like our video. If you like our video, it reaches to the maximum number of people. Try to answer this question and post your answer in the comment section. So here the numbers 256, 128, 192, 480, and which number it should replace in that question mark, and finally it becomes 7560. So answer this question. So we have five different options: 1824, 1680, 1856, 1632, and 1864 was the number. Now see, if 256 is multiplied with a 0.5, why? Because 128 is off of 256. It's a 0.5 times. If 128 is multiplied with 1.5 times, see 128 into 1 is 128, off of 128 is 64. If you go through the sum, then it becomes 192. If 192 must multiply with a 2.5, then it becomes 480. Finally, see, if you want the final answers, 480 must be multiplied with a 3.5. Now see, 480 into 3, 8 3 is 24, 3 4 is 12, 12 plus 2 is equal to 14. And off of 480 is 240. So final answer, 1680 should be replaced in that question. So answer 1680. So is it clear? Next, move on to the question number 2. So here the numbers 11,043, 11,056, 11,045, 11,054, 11,057. Now what about the next number? If you observe all the numbers, 11,000 is common. Joshna, very good Nana Joshna. 1680 is the correct answer for question number 1. Very good. Now see, just observe last two digits: 43, 56, 45, 54, 57. 43 and 56. If you are interested, you can find the difference. If you go through the difference, see, here total value is exactly, difference is 13. Now 56 and 45, now it is decreased. So how much value is decreased here? It's minus of 6 and 5 units, 11 units. plus 13 minus of 11. Now next one 45 and 54. So absolutely it is increases by 9 units. 45 plus 9 is 54. And 54 and 57, if you observe that again we are going to add 3 units. Guys, it's not 57, it's 47. It's a print mistake. It's a 47 units. If you go through the 47 units, again it is a subtracted. So here the subtraction of 7 units. Now see, 13, 11, 9, 7. Definitely we have to take odd number 5. Positive, negative. Definitely we are going to add positive. So final answer 1147 plus 5 is equal to 1152 is the correct answer. 11,052. Next. Let's see this question. Question number 3. So here the numbers 7, 6, 30, 62. It's 16, sorry. So 16, 7, 16, 30, 62, 122. What about the next number? So which number it will replace in that question mark? Guys, in my previous session, I told you clearly if numbers are increases, go through the multiplication. If it is not in terms of multiplication, then go through the differences. Either in the same sequence or alternative way. So what about this number? Now see 7 becomes 16 means into 2 plus 2. If 7 into 2 is 14, 14 plus 2 is 16. If 16 is multiplied with a 2 minus 2, then it becomes 30. 16 into 2, 32 minus of 2 is 30. Again, if 30 is multiplied with a 2 plus 2, then it becomes 62. 30 into 2, 60 plus 2 is 62. Again, 62 is multiplied with a 2 minus 2, then it becomes 122. So finally see, if 122 is multiplied with a 2 and add 2 units, then it becomes 244 plus 2 is equal to 246. 246. Yes, 246 is the correct answer. Very good, Nana. Very good. So good. It's an alternative operation into 2 plus 2 into 2 minus 2. 246 is the correct answer. Next. So here the numbers see again 3, 4, 14, 73, 515. Guess that number. So what can be the number after 515? Now see here again it suddenly increases. It completely depends on the multiplication. See 3 into 1 plus 1 is 4. If you go through that 4 into 2, then you have to add 4 into 2 is 18. We have to add 6 more units. But 1 and 6 is not a correct sequence. Let us take the odd number. See 4 into 3 plus 2. 4 3 is 12. 12 plus 2 is equal to 14. Now 14 is multiplied with a 5. So 14 into 5 is 70 units. Add 3 units, then it becomes 73. So definitely next number should be into 7 plus 4. Finally, if 515 is multiplied with 9 times, so 9 into 5, 45. 9 into 1, 9, 9 plus 4 is equal to 13. 9 5 is 45 plus 1 is 46. 4635. According to the sequence, we are adding 1, 2, 3, 4. Definitely, we have to add 5 units. According to that sequence, here the number should be replaced as 4640. 4640. Next. So answer this question. Again, here the numbers 2, 5, 23, 119, 4079. So try to solve this question. Now you can see like 2, 5, 23, 119 and 4079 means it's increases. Increases means verify in terms of multiplication. 2 into 1 plus, so let's take the 2 into 1 is 2, 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. Let us take this scenario. If 5 into 2 is not suitable, let's take that 5 into 3. If 5 into 3 is 15, 15 plus 8 is equal to 23. Now 23 is multiplied with the 5 times. 23 into 5 is 115 plus 4. Plus 4 is 119. If you observe that this is not in a proper sequence. It's not in proper sequence. 135 is okay, but we are adding different numbers. 3, 8, 7. Let's go for another. So 2 into 2 plus 1 is equal to 5. Now 5 into 3. 5 into 3 is 15. 15 plus 8 is equal to 23. Let us consider that 1 is the cube number and 8 is the cube number. Now the next number, see, if 23 is multiplied with the 4 times. So here the value becomes, see, 92. And the difference between 119 and 92. So we have 27 units. See, we are adding perfect cube numbers. Finally, see 119. According to the sequence 2, 3, 4, we have to multiply with the 5 times. 9 into 5 is 45. 5 into 1, 5. 5 plus 4 is 9. And 5 into 1 is 5. 595. So how much we are going to add according to the sequence? 1, 8. 1 cube, 2 cube, 3 cube. And we have to add 4 cube. 4 cube is equal to 64. Now here 5 plus 4 is 9, 9 plus 6 is 15 and the total resultant becomes 659. 659 is the correct answer. Is it clear? So you have to verify all alternative cases. You never get based on your assumption. So you have to go through the multiple possibilities, then only you will get the answers. You have to practice more questions. If you practice more questions, you can able to answer any questions related for the number series. It's all about identify this particular pattern. Now here the numbers 1, 9, 61, 497, 4981. You can understand that if again suddenly increases, it's only happen if you go through that multiplication sequence. So numbers are increases, verify in terms of multiplication. Now you can observe the logic here. 497 is multiplied with the 10 times. Is 4970 plus 11. Then it becomes 4981. Now here see, we have a 1, we have a 9, we have a 61. So 61 is multiplied with which number, 1 is multiplied with which number, and we are going to add different numbers. So let's take this scenario. It's all about 10, right? Let us take 8. 8 into 1 is 8, 8 into 6 is 4. So 488. but we need 497. So how much we are going to add? So definitely 9 units, then it becomes 497. So we are multiplied with one number, we are adding next number 8, next number is 9. So let's take that 9 into 6 is 54. So we have to add 7 units, then it becomes 61. Now finally 1 into 4 even numbers, 1 into 4 is 4, 4 plus 5 is equal to 9. So if 4981 is multiplied with a 12 and we are going to add the next number is 13. Let's go through these multiplications. So 12 into 12, 12 into 1 is 12, 12 into 8 is 96 plus 1 is 97. 12 into 9 is 108, 108 plus 9 is 170. 11 carry over. 12 into 4 is 48, 48 plus 11 is 59. So if you add 13 units to the 59,772, then answer become 59,780. So D is the suitable answer. So is it clear? Next, see, if you see the decimal numbers, you will get only decimal multiplication. It's a direct logic for you. So try to answer this question. Now see how 18 become, sorry, 15 become 8 means 15 is multiplied with a 0.5 times. So it's exactly 7.5. Add 0.5 units, it becomes 8. 8 into 1 plus 1 is equal to 9. Now 9 into 1.5 plus 1.5. So let's go through this calculation. 9 into 1.5 is 13.5 plus 1.5 is equal to 15. So if you are interested, you can verify the next one. 15 into 2 plus 2 is equal to 32. So definitely you can directly replace that question mark with 15. So 15 is the replacing number. Next, answer this question. Guys, if you are new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe and share this information with your friends. And hit a like button if you like our videos. It reaches to the maximum number of people who are preparing for the different competitive examinations. Definitely our content will help their preparation. So see these numbers, 15 is multiplied with a 1 plus 1 is 16. 16 into 2, 32 minus 1, 31. 31 into 3 plus 3, sorry, plus 1. 93 plus 1 is 94. So definitely next C, into 1 plus 1 into 2 minus 1 into 3 plus 1 into 4 minus 1. This is into 5 plus 1. Finally see, 1876 is multiplied with a 6 and subtract 1 unit. So here 6 into 6 36, 6 into 7 42 plus 3 is 45. 8 into 6 is 48, 48 plus 4 is equal to 52. 6 into 1 6, 6 plus 5 is equal to 11. Just subtract it, then it become 11,250. So it's a none of this, but see 11,255. So you can replace with none of these. We have that option, right? And don't forget, you have to subtract 1 unit. Otherwise, most of the guys, they're going to choose option D. But option D is a wrong answer. It's an alternative pattern. Every time we have to add, next you have to subtract. Addition, subtraction, addition, subtraction. According to the sequence, you will get 11,255. Product value is 11,256. According to the sequence, subtract one value. Next, try to answer this question. Here the numbers 24, 31, 52, 87, 136. See, if all the numbers are nearer, just find the difference. So 7 units. Difference is exactly 21 units. If the difference is 35. If you observe that it's all about the 7 multiples. 7 into 1. 7 into 3. 7 into 5. So definitely here the difference is 7 into 7 is 49. So finally we are going to add 7 into 9. 7 into 9 is 63. So answer 199. So 199 should be replaced in that question mark. Now see, find these here the numbers 15, 22, 40, 75, 133 dash. Now again see if all the numbers are nearer, just find the difference. 15 and 22, 7 units. Difference between these two numbers is 18. Difference is 35. Difference 25, 33 is 58. And you can't see any specific pattern. Again go for the double difference. It's all about the single difference. If you don't find any specific logic, then go for one more difference. It's all about double. So 7 and 18 difference is 11 units. 18 and 35 difference is 17 units. 35 and 58 difference is 23. Again, if you observe that there is a common difference in third step. So 6 and 6. So definitely we are going to add 6 units. It means 23 plus 6. Here the difference is 29. Now see, if 58 plus 29, 58 plus 29 is 87 units. And these 87 units we should add to 133. The resultant become 220. Is it clear? So third difference is common. Third difference is common. So according to that sequence, you should replace with 220 in the question. Next. Go through this question. It is not in terms of multiplication. See, 83 and 119 again it is only possible with into 1 plus something. Into 2 means that will more than the 119. That's why it is not possible in multiplication. If it is not possible in multiplication, think in terms of differences. So here the number see 15, 19, 83, 119, 631 dash. So if you observe that here the difference is 4. If you go through that, it's a difference of 64 units. If you go through that, difference is 36. So if you observe these three numbers, it's all about the square and cube combinations. 2 square, 4 cube, 6 square. So definitely here the difference is 8 cube. 8 cube is 412. So according to that series 2, 4, 6, 8 means next number pakka 10. Square cube, we have to add square number. So answer 631 plus 100 is 731 is the number you should replace it. Is it clear? It's a combination, square and cube combination. Next, let's answer this question. 17, 33, 64, 124, 240, 464. Now see, 17 is multiplied with a 2, 34 minus 1. 33 into 2. So 33 into 2, 66 minus of 2. 64 into 2 is 128 minus 4. 124 into 2, 248 minus of 8. Into 2, see 1 double 2, 2 double 4, 4 double 8. Definitely next we have to subtract 16 units. So finally 464 is multiplied with a 2 times. 928. According to this one, we have to subtract double of 16 is 32 units. 8 minus 2 is 6. Again 896 is the difference. So here the answer D is the correct answer. Sampath Kumar. Very good. Next, move on to this. 9, 20, 36, 78, 148 and 306. So you can see 9 into 2, 18 plus 2 is 20. 20 into 2 minus 4 is 36. 36 into 2, 72 plus 6 is 78. 78 into 2, so 156. So 156 minus of 8. Again into 2, so definitely plus 10. Finally into 2, minus 12 is the correct answer. If 306 is multiplied with the 2 is 612 minus of 12, then the resultant becomes 6. Is it clear? Yes, very good, Nanaraji. Next, move on to this 1, 5, 19, 81, 100 and, sorry, 411. Let us answer this question. Guys, I will update this PDF after my live session in my Telegram channel. Search V2VVK. You can get my Telegram channel name as Vision to Victory. Join this Telegram channel and you can download the material and you can access all the content. And you can search Vision to Victory as an Insta page. You will get my channel and follow us and support and share this information with your friends also. You can check the description. All the links are available. We have WhatsApp channel, official WhatsApp channel, and Telegram and Instagram. So check the description. You can get all the links and you can follow us. And don't forget to subscribe our channel. Now see again 1, 5, 1981 and 411. So again if you observe the sequence, see 1981 into 5 for example. So it's a 405 plus 6. 19 into 4. 5 into 3 plus 4. Into 4 plus 5. So definitely this is into 2 plus 3. So according to the sequence 411 is multiplied with a 6 and next number should be added. So here 6, 6, 2, 4. 2, 4, 6, 6 plus 7 is equal to 2, 4, 7, 3 is the right answer. D is the correct one. Next. Now let's see these numbers 2. And this is one of the important model. If you recognize, you can save your time. If you go through the general methods, it's a time taking calculation. So one of the important model in number series. Here the numbers 2, 12, 36, 80, 150 and 252. So what can be the next number? See, it's a combination of both squares and cubes. 1 cube plus 1 square is 2. 2 cube plus 2 square is 12. 3 cube plus 3 square is 36. 4 cube plus 4 square is 80. And remember that 150 and 100. It is only possible n cube plus or minus n square. 5 cube plus 5 square is 150. 5 cube minus 5 square is 100. Try to remember these two numbers. Again 252 is all about 6 cube plus 6 square. Finally missing number should be 7 cube plus 7 square. 343, 49. So 392 should replace. And then question mark. So is it clear? Next. So here 3, 11, 29, 67, 145. So which number should replace in that question? Now see this question here, 311. See again, if 67 is multiplied with a 2 times, for example, 67 double number is 134. So 134 become 145. We have to add 11 units. Now next see here again 29 is multiplied with the 2 times is 58 plus 9 is 67. Again 11 into 2 22 plus 7. 3 into 2 plus 5 into 2 plus 5 7 9 11 and multiplied by 2 and we have to add 13 units. Double of 190, so 145 is 290 plus 13 is 303 should be replaced in that question. Next. So see here the numbers 3, 16, 45, 96, 175. Guys, every time second number should be double or more than double, then only verify in terms of multiplication. Otherwise, simply find the difference and go through the logic. See 96, if you go through the double it, then it become 192, but the given value is 175. So it's not possible. Now let's find the difference here, 13 units. So here the difference between 49 and 16 is 29 units. Here the difference is 54 units. Here the difference is 79 units. Not in any sequence. Go through one more difference. 13 and 29, difference is 16, right? 29 and 54, difference is 23. 23, sorry. 25. 25. And 54 and 79. 9, 4, difference 5, 7. It's a 25. Give me a second. It's not 29. 29 plus 16. 3 is 16, 45, 96 and 175. Here the difference is 13, difference is 29, 54 and 79. It's 51, right? Yes. Here it is 28, here it is 22. Again, you can see that common difference of 6 units. 28 and 6, 34. 79 plus 34 is exactly equal to 103. And those 103 units is added to 175. Then answer is 278. So 113, right? Sorry. 113, 175 is 288. 288 is the correct answer. Yes, thank you, Nana Samputrasi. Next, see these numbers 5, 9, 16, 32, 75 dash. Now here the difference between 5 and 9 is 4. 9 16 is 7. 16 32 is 16. 32 75 is 43. No proper sequence. Let's go for one more. Difference of 3. Difference of 9. Difference of 27. See 3 power 1. 3 square. 3 cube. And the next number should be 3 power 4. We have to add 81 units. 43 plus 81 is 124. And this 124 is added to the 75, then the resultant become 199. We have 25, 33, 54, 99, and 180. Sorry, 79. If all the numbers are needed, you just find the difference. 25 and 33, it's a difference of 8 units. 33, 54, difference of 21 units. It's a difference of 45 units. It's a difference of 80 units. So we are unable to see any proper sequence. Let's go for one more difference. Difference of 13, 21 and 45. Yeah, the difference is 24. Difference is 35. So here you can see that 13 and 24, 11 units, 11 units, 11 units. Now 35 and 11, it means we are going to add 46 units to the 80. Then finally 126 units is added to 179. So answer 305 units. Next question. Here the numbers again 13, 15, 19, 27, 43. What can be the next number? Now, 13 and 15 difference is 2. It's at plus 4, plus 8, plus 16. Every time double the numbers. So final answer 43 plus 32 is equal to 75. It's an easy one. Next. 139, 39, 249, 2559. What can be the next number? See here, let's take this in this way. 1 into 4. 9 into 4 is 36 into 4 plus 3. Let's go for 3 into 3 is exactly. Let's go for 2. 3 into 2 6 plus 3. Now 1 into 1 plus 3. Sorry, 1 into 1 plus 2. It's not up to the second side. 1 into 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 into 2 is 6 plus 3. 9 4 is 36 plus 3. It's not in a sequence. 249, 2559 dash. It's 32,589. Yes. So what's about logic? It's definitely a multiplication. What kind of multiplication it is? So what about the sequence? So anyone, what is the logic? So what is the sequence? Logic means it's all about the sequence. So here the numbers 1, 3, 9, 39, 249, 2559. What can be the next number? See, if you go through that multiplication, first of all, see 1, 3, right? For example, let us consider in this, sir, 1 into 2, 11, sir, 1 into 2 plus 1. Now 3 into 2, 6. So, but it is not possible into 2 into 2 into 2. Why? Because 249 into 2 is not become a 4-digit number, right? So it's not possible. Let us consider in this way. Into 1 plus 2 into 2 plus 3 into 4, again you will get plus 3. Sorry, 9 4 is 36 plus 3 is 39. Guys, again see, if you go through the multiplication, it is not possible. If you go through that multiplication, if it is not possible, then find the difference. That is the logic we have. It's a 2 units. It's a 6 units. Here 30 units. And the difference between 249 and 39 is 210. So 2559 minus 249. 9 minus 9 is 0. 5 minus 4 is 1. 24 minus. It's a 2310. But what about the logic? See, let's go 2 into 3. 2 into 3 is 6. 6 into 5, 30. 30 into 7 is 210. 210 into 11 is 2310. Now 3, 5, 7, 11. See, 21 into 11 is 231. So 210 into 11 is 2310. Let's go for 2310 is multiplied with the 3, 5, 7, 11. Then go with the 13. 13 zeros, 13 threes, 13 threes, 39, 40. 13 into 2 is 26 plus 4 is 30. So we have to add 30030. So 2559. It's a 98532. 32589. 32589. 32589. C is the correct answer. Is it clear? Otherwise, you can go for one more. So 2 is 2 into 3, 1 into 2, 2 into 3, 2 into 3 into 5. See, still same option, but it's easy. This is easy for you. So we are considered only prime numbers. Next. Let's try this question. 122, 171, 228, 293 and 366. So which number should replace in that question mark? 122, 171, 228, 293, 366. See 122 and 171. How much of difference you can able to see? 49 units, right? Here the difference between 171 and 228. See 8 minus 1 is 7. So here 12 minus 7 is 5. So the total difference is 57. 228 and 293, 13 minus 8 is 5. So we have 8 here, 8 minus 2 is 6, 65. Finally, we have a 7 units and total difference is 73. If you go for one more difference, 49 and 57, 8 units. So 57 and 65, here 3 and 8. It's again difference of 8 and 8 and 8. So we have to add 81 units to the 366. So 447 is the correct answer. Next. 1, 4, 15, 28, 57 and 88. See here the difference of 3 units. Here the difference of 11 units. 15 and 28 difference of 13 units. 28 and 57, 29 units. 57 and 88. It's a plus 3, 28, 31 units. Is it the right sequence? If it is the right sequence, tell me the exact answer. 1, 4, 15, 28, 57 and 88. 3, 11, 13, 29, 31. What can be the next one? Guys, if you observe that the most important thing, so 3, 11, 13, 29, 31 all are belongs to the prime numbers. See, after 3, they are not considered 5 and 7. They are not considered 5 and 7. Then they consider 11. After 11, immediately 13. After 13, they are not considered 17 and 19. They are not considered 17, 19 and 23 also. So 3 prime numbers they are not considered. And again immediately they are considered the next prime number after 29. Then you have to leave 4 prime numbers. Let's leave 4 prime numbers after 31. So here 37, leave 41, leave 43, leave 47. Then prime number you have to consider after 31 is 53. Now 88, 53. 8 plus 3 is 11. 1 carry over. Total answer is 141. So they may see 3 and 11, they are not considered 5 and 7, two prime numbers leave. After 11, 13 is prime number. After 13, they are not considered 17, 19 and 23. 29 is the prime number. After 29, immediate prime number is 31. After 31, 37 leave it. 41 leave it. 43 leave it. 47 leave it. After 47, you can see that 53 is the prime number. And the 53 must be added to the 88. If you go through the sum, then it becomes 141. Guys, this is for you. Just try to solve this question and post your answer in the comment section. So don't forget, solve it and answer after my live session, guys. This is the last one. Guys, download this PDF from my Telegram channel. I will update this, and you can follow my Insta and all the networks. And don't forget to subscribe and hit a like button and share this information with the maximum number of people. Definitely they will get some benefit from our videos. So the last question is 704, 88, 22 and 8.25 dash. 704 becomes 88. 88 becomes 22. 22 becomes 8.25. 8.25 becomes how much? So definitely if 704 is multiplied with 1 by 8, 1 by 8, then it becomes 88. If 88 is multiplied with a 2 by 8, why? Because 1/4 of 88 is 22. Let's consider this is 3 by 8. If 22 is divided by 8 again multiplied with a 3, it becomes 8.25. Finally, see 8.25 is multiplied with the 4 by 8. 4 by 8 means off. Off of this value, see, off of this value is 4.125. The answer is 4.120. Is it clear? So please let me know in the session. So comment section, guys. Is it clear? So, so this is all about today's video, guys. I hope you understand all 25 different questions in number series. So go through this video and practice all the questions once again. Definitely, guys, if you understand the logic, you can able to solve any questions related for number series. And so don't forget to subscribe and share this information with your friends. Until the next session, have a nice day. Good night, guys.